And volume profile levels, market profile levels are pretty superior to any kind of support resistance levels, in my opinion. In fact, I don't like calling it support and resistance levels. Those are the boundaries of fair value. As soon as price moves out of those pockets, we've got trending markets. So you can short Nifty below this for sure. Unlikely to happen that because अभी बैंक निफ्टी ने यहाँ इतना absorption दिखा दिया है लेवल पे कि क्या ही बताए. Pretty good absorption through and through on this level. All right, then I'll recap what happened today essentially, and then I'll close the chapter. We didn't get any good trades yet, although I did scalp a bit. The best trade available was a B plus setup here on our September value area low, which held pretty well, and you could have went long. But the value area, developing value area, being above it price, I was a little bit scared to give you this kind of a setup essentially, which is very initially I really want to stick to high probability trades for you. It's okay. If the trade doesn't come, it's fine for you. The next best setup was this here on this pullback, which was a high probability setup. We did around 50 points on this or 100. I don't remember. 540 पे था entry. Yes, on this pullback. To 643. Yes, 100 points. So around 50 points on the lot. If Bank Nifty starts moving down, you have a short play on your hands in Nifty. Yeah, we might test 17300. Like I said, ये जो दिक्कत थी स्टार्ट में, ये टेस्ट नहीं हुआ है ना. बैंक निफ्टी गिव अप कर दे यहाँ से ना, तो फिर निफ्टी में एक शॉर्ट मूव रिस्क रिवॉर्ड सही है 60-70 पॉइंट का. That will give you easily 20, 25, 20 rupees, 25 rupees probably on the lot size. ये कैंडल क्लोज होने दो. अभी निफ्टी बढ़ रहा है, बट बैंक निफ्टी में प्रॉब्लम आ गया है क्योंकि बैंक निफ्टी घुस गया है डेवलपिंग वैल्यू एरिया में, सो इट्स बिकम रोटेशनल इनसाइड. नहीं होगा सस्टेन ये अप मूव यहाँ से। बैंक निफ्टी रोटेशनल जाएगा रेंज बाउंड, और जैसे ही क्लोज होता है वीवाप के नीचे निफ्टी निफ्टी विल स्टार्ट फॉलिंग अपार्ट। All right, I'll quickly. So, guys, wait, I'll just quickly give you analysis and close this like I was doing. So these were our levels in the morning for Nifty and Bank Nifty. We opened gapped up. We had a rejection of this value area high, and subsequently we moved down, found support, and we are range bound to within this range area. Anybody who took a long here and exit here on 600, sorry, 425, should have done well. As for Bank Nifty, which seemed a little bit stronger in the beginning here, we opened gap up. We got rejected from 39,670, which and subsequently we moved down, found support, pretty good support at around 39,400, which is the September value area low, and then subsequently moved up. I think this was a good telltale sign that this was a reversal candle. Even in Bank Nifty, 945 was a good. Even in Nifty, 945 was a good reversal candle. This was also a good reversal candle on Bank Nifty. Eventually, we moved up and it found resistance at around 600, 650 areas, which we had anticipated in the beginning because there was a lot of selling that had happened in this area. And I was monitoring that. So look at this around 600, 1K, 838, and around 620s. So this areas of, around 30 rupees between 6 to 630, there was considerable selling of 3.5K contracts, right? So we had to first move. There was quiet, there was an attempt to move beyond that area, but we got rejected and then subsequently moved downwards. Now what's happening on Bank Nifty is we are sustaining at the 39,550 level, which is the value area low of the node. There's a high volume node here between this and this, right? It looks like Bank Nifty is holding Nifty very well, but as soon as Bank Nifty becomes a little bit weaker, we will see a play in Nifty till 300 from 360. If Bank Nifty takes a breather, I do believe it can very well make a second run up towards these levels and try to try to find liquidity here at this level, because जहाँ liquidity है वहाँ price जाता है और liquidity hunt करता है. Hunting as in not exactly hunting, but trying to fill more orders essentially. Okay. Hopefully this was a good session for all of you. As always, thank you for joining in. I would keep this window open, but for some time. The play again, I'll just explain once again to those who didn't understand earlier, was that we opened gap up on previous days value areas. There was a value area, September value area low here, which we opened inside the value last month's value area, and we found bottom here. We are holding well at the bottom, and this was a good absorption candle, a reversal candle. Anybody who went long here should be proud of themselves. This was a B plus setup, to be honest. The A plus setup didn't have a good risk reward, which is fine on Bank Nifty. Which is fine on Bank Nifty. Sorry, which was not fine on Nifty, but on Bank Nifty, we found uh, we found bottom at the September value area low, and then we moved up. The deltas were pretty strong. There is in there was an intraday resistance around 600. So I guess this around 620, yes, right? We are range bound within this range now, but anybody who played this up move should have got 100 points yet again today. If not, we did enter here for a plus move, which was above. So what are A plus and B plus moves, right? So if you just switch on value VWAPs, right? Price below VWAP, I would call B setup. This is a B plus setup inside VWAP, and then a plus setup at around this. So the price is above VWAP, and also breaking into a node, which is a value area low of a node, right? Then I would say from here 550 to 650, which was our known resistance level, 620. We got around 50 odd points on 100 odd points, 80 to 100 odd points. That would be another 20, 25 points on the contract, right? Now, I really want to test this 300 areas and then move up and see if the September value area low accepts us again back. If that happens, then we are for a major swing long play. If not, then we get rejected and we go range bound within this until one of the two breaks in the next week, okay, or tomorrow. Incidentally, Fridays, which were boring before, have become really interesting nowadays, and Thursdays, which were very interesting, have become too boring nowadays. It says a lot about our market. It's not behaving as it should, as it has been earlier. I suggest you to, service some, have some caution while trading on Thursdays. Most of the days, what is happening is people think they'll get trend plays in less money, and option buying gives you a good leverage, and that's the main reason we are seeing DK plays nowadays on Thursdays. I do believe a lot of option buyers are waiting for expiry day for trend days, and that is exactly what, and that's why exactly the opposite is happening here. We go range bound either or. We try to play breakouts, breakdowns, and we rotate essentially. So as soon as Bank Nifty will break down from here, which is a value area low, we've got good absorption here. But as soon as we see it hitting a certain, let's see, this move is coming now pretty fast. Hopefully, we get a good return here uh, at the 300 levels. Yeah, if we break this, it's going to be a great move. Otherwise, we will rotate or go range bound. So right now, there's another absorption that is happening. Let's see, we should hit 316 with more 100, 200 contracts. Otherwise, this level is holding pretty strong. This is because of Bank Nifty, guys. Bank Nifty has a lot of buying that has happened at 39,500, 39,500 to 550. Okay. As soon as Bank Nifty shows a little bit of exhaustion in terms of buying, we will see a good move down here. In fact, even below 300 could be a game plan here. We might not even find support at 300, and if that happens, then yeah, then we get range bound within this node. All right. For now, pretty good. I have taken a small short here, honestly, but I am looking at Bank Nifty to show some follow through in terms of selling. Otherwise, we will be choppy all around 17,350. The hitting is pretty good here, to be honest. Like we are seeing equal buying at this level, but buyers are in control of this market of Nifty since a long time. If you see the delta here, it's been continuously accumulating negative delta. Okay, but on the Bank Nifty, what's happened is it did accumulate some good amount of minus 4.5k delta. Then we had a reversal, and now we are pretty much flat in terms of, there's a dip, there's another dip, but overall we are not actually moving down. We need one good candle here that comes with 2,000 lots and tries to take out this limit buyer here. If anybody wants a really good move, that will only come if there is a imbalance created on the sell side here, because as soon as the limit buyers are out, because aggressive buyers and limit buyers both are active currently here. Okay, as soon as limit buyers are out, I do believe at least half of the work will be done, because Nifty is only being saved currently by Bank Nifty on. We need some kind of at least selling coming in Bank Nifty. Around even 400, 500 contracts that move you out of the the developing value area, and then we'll have some panic selling that will come in, and subsequently then we can see Nifty moving down. Nope, I think we are good on Bank Nifty. If that's the case, it's going to be a little bit difficult for Nifty to justify a down move then. Yeah, I think Bank Nifty is saving the day for Nifty today. So there was only one good play here. We opened gap up. We let the selling happen. We found a reversal candle. We should have taken a B plus trade here with one lot, two lot, and then subsequently we rejected at day's open. Okay. All right. So we are holding back, holding again this on the September value area low, which I do believe if you just switch on the VWAP here, this looks like a pullback, and we'll sell into it. As for Bank Nifty, I really like Bank Nifty structure here, honestly. We did open gap up, we got rejected, and we got pushed out of a few high value or high volume nodes. But then we were by then inside September value area, which is great because now we found support at September value area low and subsequently moved from 39,400 to first target being 39,500, second target being 39,550, and third target being 39,600, where we had intraday resistance. Okay, so all in all, you could have pulled 200 points, but if you didn't, even if you pulled 50 to 100 points here, that's a good enough play, in my opinion. Do not trade this market anymore, because the conviction I have is always, it was pretty strong in the morning, but now it's neutral to bearish on Nifty, and neutral to slightly bullish on Bank Nifty. And that's the reason on both of them I'm a little bit on Nifty. I'm sure we'll get a good move down, but Bank Nifty, I'm not sure whether it will allow Nifty to move down. But if new fresh selling comes in Nifty, Bank Nifty, then yes, we will see we will see a 70, 80 point move down. Even 17,250 areas will be tested, the POC of this value area. All right, guys, this seems like how about futures open interest and that like OI pulse indicator? It's not, it's useless in my opinion in trading. It's, you can look at futures open interest and that is fine. But having multiple tools is and see, the question you've got to ask yourself, Kasim, is how does it help you make money or not at the end of the day? And how do I answer that question? By answering, does it help you take a better decision about your trade? If it does, great, it helps you. It I tend to not look at OI or anything for that matter, is because I am expecting everything to be um, included in the footprint data. What do I mean by that is basically I might not understand just looking at footprint charts as to how much open interest is being built on either side. But what I can understand is what is happening in the market currently in the real time based on market orders. And purely on market generated information, you can trade safely. All right, this session has been great. I hope you got at least some kind of value in this. Our September value area low held really well, and anybody who went long from that should have got a really good move. A good move. No, let's not a great move, but it's fine. We are still range bound. Breakdown on Nifty coming sooner than expected. I guess बैंक निफ्टी जाने नहीं दे रहा है नीचे, बस और कुछ नहीं है. Buying exhaust कर दो बैंक निफ्टी की और let it move down a little bit. You'll get a better move in Nifty. All right, I'm